that people might believe to be true?
Nagre-react ako minsan, especially when it's about the memory of my mom and my dad. One thing that during the elections, yung parang gusto daw mag-divorce ng mom and dad ko, mga kamag-anak ng nanay ko, nagpapatay sa dad ko, yung mga gano'n. Yung parang, ano ba, they're in heaven, give them peace. You don't need to use people who are dead and sacrifice for this country in order for you to win an election.
#she's back. Wait, Ate Chris, you wrote on your t-shirt earlier, fear of your loved ones may be hurt, which I feel everyone in this room fear na naman talaga yun. But let's go back siguro 5 years ago. Chris, Aquino, 5 years ago. What was something you feared then and how did you overcome it?
Being alone. I think some of the girls here in front. Kasi 6 years ago, when we separated, and I thought na it was the end of the road as far as loving is concerned. And it was so hard because I was being blamed for it. Na parang he was fighting for you, why didn't you give him a chance? So 5 years ago, that was the fear of that annulment, and what he has gone through it's hell. And then recently, I'll be honest again, I was afraid of how Bill would react about his new sibling. And yun, thank you Lord na okay siya. Okay si Bill, he's in a good place kasi I've been discussing it with him and I've been saying that, please tell me when you're ready. Kasi let's make the call. Let's be the ones to call them and say, hey, I'd like to meet my brother. And then Bill said, okay, Mama, I'll tell you then.
So mature. How old is he now?
9.
Oh, where did the time go?
Yes, 9 na siya.
So, ang daming babae, I'm sure nakarelate. And sana...
Hindi, kasi diba, it's not about you It's about your child. It's about how it will affect your child. And I'll bring it out in the open. My child found out about it on Facebook. It was not told to him. I'm not disparaging them because that was their choice. And I want them to also be happy and peaceful because when there's peace and happiness on the other side, there's peace and happiness in your home. Pero, yun lang. Nasaktan lang ko kasi my son deserved to find out na sana diniretso sa kanya. And dun ako siguro, hindi dahil nagselos ako na, oh my God, nag-move on, naunahan ako. Hindi, it's as a mother, I think you diba, you will shelter and shield your child. But, yun, I'm so surprised though that at the level of maturity of my son.
And that's it from him.
Siya! Hindi ako nagkonsol, hindi ako nag-aral. Sinabi ko lang sa kanya na, Bim, this is an issue. Your dad is public. We are public. So how do we deal with this? And then yun, sinabi ko, and I'll be honest, bumiyahe kami dahil hinayin ko, when I knew the research was online, kung kaya I did due date, because I wanted to spare my son that.